Hi, I'm Atil. I teach more than 300,000 students worldwide on programming and also cybersecurity. Today, along with the Code Stars, we bring you the complete quantum computation course. So, in order to get this course, you don't need any experience at all. In order to understand the quantum computing and quantum programming, you need to understand the mathematical foundations, physical attributes, and also Python programming language. But we're gonna see all of those things from scratch in this course. So if you studied mathematics in high school, that would be all. If you have mathematics skills like a high school student, that's all you need in order to take this course. We're gonna learn all the rest during the course, and then we will dive into the programming quantum computers and running them on actual, real quantum computers during the course. You will be able to write your own code, build your own circuits, and also understand the quantum algorithms at the end of this course to execute them on the real quantum computers and also quantum simulators as well. So if you have any question during the course, you can reach me through the Q&A section. Now, if you're ready, let's get started.